use Jasper Templates to create high quality content. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Jasper Templates to generate high quality content and use built-in templates to make your work more easier and a lot more faster. The link for Jasper is given in the description down below. If you do not have an account in Jasper, then I suggest go ahead and click on the link and get your account right now. Once you have Jasper, then you can go to templates from this menu right here. And once we go to the templates, we will be able to find a lot of different templates on Jasper. There are more than 50 templates available in every different category. So these are the different templates that we can use in order to create a specific content. For example, if I want to generate a paragraph, then I can go with a paragraph generator. Similarly, if I'm looking to write a blog, then I can go with this template right here, which is a blog post topic ideas. And similarly, if you want to generate a text or a heading for your social media, such as Facebook, then you can use templates such as Facebook ad headline and Facebook ad primary text. Then we can write Amazon product features and description using the templates as well. Using these templates is quite similar. They all work in a same manner. So let's go ahead and get some quick examples on how to use Jasper templates. In Jasper Post mode, you can access them from Power mode here, blog post topic ideas. Right here, we get different options for different templates. We have to enter our company name or product name. This is where you will be adding your product name. For example, Jasper. Then you have to enter your product description. You can simply generate rich notes for meeting, interview, lectures, and other important voice conversation with your AI-powered assistant. So you just have to enter some of the product description right here. Like this. Then we have the audience. So Jasper actually allows us to select an audience and we will be able to access our targeted audience. For example, for this blog, I'm actually going to be targeting bloggers, content writers, and marketers. After that, we can select a tone of voice. Our tone actually determines that what kind of content we are creating. So for this one, I am going with convincing. So this is the information you add and then your AI assistant will work on it. We can also add our examples here if you want. And then we can select the output. I am going with 2 and then click on generate AI content. And there you go, we have our blog post topic ideas. These are all the ideas generated by Jasper. How to use Jasper AI to supercharge your content creation, why you should be using Jasper AI for your copywriting. Okay, get more done with Jasper, how to use Jasper to make content creation fast and easier. So you can see all of the results are actually pretty good and SEO friendly. I think I'm gonna go with this one, why you should be using Jasper AI for your copywriting. Now I could just copy this one and add it to my blog right here. Paragraph generator. Let's go ahead and get another example of a template which is mostly used, and it's paragraph generator. We can generate a paragraph for our blog. All you have to do is enter what is your paragraph about and you will enter your topic. Then keyword to include are going to be according to my title right here. I have added few of the keywords. And then we have to select our tone, which is going to be helpful. For outlines, I am going with 2 and click on generate AI content. We have our paragraphs. Losing weight can seem like a daunting task. Keep it off, cut out processed food, eat more protein, drink plenty of water, and move health. Then we have this one, drink plenty of water, avoid stress. The first one looks pretty good. So I'm gonna use this one. You can see how Jasper generated a full paragraph for me in seconds. And we can simply add it to our document here. Video titles. Now I will be using video title template to generate a video title for my YouTube. Simply enter what is the video about, keyword to rank for, and tone of voice. So I have entered my details. For outputs, I am going with 3 and click on generate AI content. And there you go, we have our own title ideas. All of the results are pretty impressive. Let's use the first one. Similarly, I can use different templates from here. We have for our captions, Facebook ads, Google ads, we have descriptions, Amazon product description, SEO friendly blog post, then we have personal bios, Quora answers, and more. And now you know how to simply create high quality content using Jasper and save time with all of these amazing templates. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. The link for Jasper is given in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out right now. You will be able to get a 5-day free trial with the link and also get 10,000 words. Also, watch our other videos on Jasper so that you can learn more. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.